channel. My name is Aloha Boy, and if you're new here, I want to introduce you to myself. This is actually, first let's introduce you to my bird. This is Lilo. He doesn't like me touching here, so I'm gonna touch him here. This is Lilo. He's actually an African bred parrot. I'm gonna take you through my whole day, but first, you have to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you can be notified every time I post a brand new video, you guys. And also, Lilo will come with us. Lilo is taking a shower in the middle of the video, but I hope you enjoyed this video, and let's come on. Lilo is just itching himself. So today, we're going to go up country in Ngong Hills, because we're gonna go to the farm, explore, even we're gonna learn some things that they have digged in there. And Max is going to come, you'll see him. Yeah, and I'm also removing my milk tooth. So scary. Whoosh, Dankeschön! We finally made it to Ngong Hills, and we are going to make chapatis. We can't go to the farm. I know I'm talking here because I have a mask. We can't go to the farm right now, but at the end of the video I'll give you footage. Okay, so we're gonna cook chapatis, and let's go on. Whoosh, bye!